This is an exercise for the frailing stroke or the basic bum ditty mechanics. Now my banjo is tuned to open G, so the fifth string is G, the fourth string is D, the third string is G, the second string is B, and the top string or first string is D. I'm going to lead the bum ditty off by hitting the middle string or the G string, followed by what's known as a brush stroke and then a thumb note. The next chord that I'm going to want to make in this exercise is a C chord. This will be a modified C. It can be made by placing the first finger on the B string at the first fret. Then place the second finger on the D string behind the second fret. When I'm brushing, I brush basically the top three strings in that fashion. I'll be leading again by hitting the middle string or the G string first, followed by the brush and the thumb. And the third chord to complete this exercise will be a D7 chord, and the D7 is made or can be made easily from the C chord. If I'm in this position for the C chord, I take this finger off and I place it across onto the fourth string on the third string at the second fret, and now I've made a D7. Now I have to make this fairly quickly because now when I play the first note, I have to have that finger down to make this new note for the D7. Now I'll put the three chords together in the pattern, starting with the G.